Whether you're going to a local studio or practicing at home, a quality yoga mat will be the foundation of your practice. In this video, we'll review the best yoga mat, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different bright yoga mat. By the end, you'll know exactly which best yoga mat is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The HAHE Yoga Mat is an excellent choice for yogis who value comfort, portability, and eco-conscious design. Made from premium POE material, it's softer, lighter, and more flexible than typical TP mats, offering a truly odorless and eco-friendly experience. The textured non-slip surface provides outstanding grip and stability, allowing you to stay focused during poses without slipping. Its 0.8 mm thickness delivers ample cushioning and shock absorption, protecting joints and enhancing comfort throughout your practice. Weighing just 2.3 pounds, this mat is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry to yoga classes, the gym, or while traveling. Available in 6 vibrant prints, it brings style and energy to your routine. Whether you're practicing Hatha, Vinyasa, or Ashtanga yoga, the HAHE mat supports a wide variety of styles, making it a great option for both beginners and seasoned yogis alike. Durable, versatile, and stylish, this mat truly enhances every yoga session. Thanks for watching the video.